This weekend, take some time to yourself. Find a comfortable place outside where taking it easy is, well, easy. To just settle down and relax in the yard a bit. That's why we've designed our 100 Series lawn tractors to be a place you can go to get away from it all. With a wide, roomy operator's platform, 2 side-by-side pedals that make going forward and backwards anything but a chore. A steering wheel and seat that just feel right. A redesigned mower deck lift lever to reduce your effort in lowering and raising the mower deck. A dashboard with exceptional visibility and easy access to safety features. With an easy way to engage the mower deck or cruise. That's what we call ergonomic design in action. You'll probably call it a pretty good morning. The John Deere 100 Series lawn tractor. The comfortable lawn tractor.